Hey guys, I'm moving today. Literally ordering food off the tablet. There's a few places here, look. As soon as it comes, I'll have to just pick up out the door. Gave me pin code 6712, so as soon as I drive off Big John's, I've got 3 sets of burgers. I just have to wait till it comes, yeah. I'll try it. Uber Eats, late night, past midnight. It's coming like 1:30 after midnight. Uber Eats anyway. Drive is literally 6 minutes away. I'll just have to remember the code now and just get the food. 6712. Yeah. It's been a right day today, guys. That's why I'm on delivery this time of night. Been a long day, but we'll get to it as soon as the food comes. Oh, I think it's here now. Let's go and grab this. Grab it, man. I'm in my bedroom. Come on, mate, over here. Hello. 6712. Thank you.
Abdul, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
And me, bro. Abdul to an Abdul.
6712.
6712.
Thank you.
Nice one, bro.
Cheers, mate. Guys, it's here. Orders. Okay. I don't know which one's which, but let's try this one first. Look at this. It's like the cream burger, this is, man. It's got cheese, tomato, salad, I think. Let's give it a bite. You can taste it, be like, hold on. I can describe it like a sweet honey and that spicy chicken. Also, can taste the cheese and the lettuce and the bread. Thin and smooth, man. That's a cream. Let's have a look what else we got. Oh, you can have a look at this one. This one's all time favourite. This is a doner kebab. It's got mayonnaise. It's got red onions. No sauce. We've got mayonnaise sauce. Guys, before anything, I want to give these peri peri wings a try. Very slimy, man. It's that charcoal grill. Let's have a taste anyway. Taste charcoal. Taste, yeah. Yeah, the go well, man. The bang on. Peri peri wings. My all-time favourite doner kebab burger. My favourite. So what I've been waiting for. The buns have been ordered. It's lamb doner kebab. the stringy lamb. See that? It's thin and cut in thin slices, man. Guys, I've got a massive burger here, mega burger. This is look at the size of this. Look how big this is. Guys, look at the size of this. I told you this was big, ain't it? It's got 3 patties in there. 3. See, it's got cheese. Cheese again. It's too late. 3 cheese. 1, 2, 3. It's got lettuce at the bottom. Give it a taster. Cool. A seeded bun. Go on then. We'll have a bite of that. Guys, are you ready for me? Go on then. Bismillah. On that burger, you can definitely taste the charcoal where it's been grilled, and the cheese and the bread. It's a meaty burger, I'll tell you that. Very good. Back to that cream burger, man. This one here. It's got that like honey. It's like mouldy syrupy, man. Okay. See that? You see the syrup on it? It's got like cheese, and the chicken is very nice, man. Even the bread, it's sweet. I had to go over them quick again. That one's another thin lamb doner kebab burger, my favourite. Also, guys, we've got the peri peri wings here. Overall, without a miss, it's a good one. This one is, you know. So that. It's bang on. Yeah. I'll pass it easy, this meal. Well done, Big John's. No. Uber Eats, yeah. And last of all, don't forget the cake. I'll probably eat that after with warm it up with a bit of ice cream. The chocolate cake. So I'll give it a bit of try though, yeah. But it's best to go with the ice cream, mate. Warm it up like. Just give it a little bite though, mate. What's the days? Come on. Don't want to come out. Okay, smooth that cake is, man. It's really chocolatey, man. Very gentle. Breaking a hand. Guys, that's it now, I showed you. Well, guys, see you again next time. Have a good night. And yeah. Guys, this wasn't my video today, you know. It's just that, guys, I had to just come out with it was a last minute thing, like. It was nothing like that. But totally, it was my video. Anyway, yeah, I'm done now, you know. Thank you. Till next time.